EAS. I think I'm already at EAS 90. Double header? Well, that's cool. I'm going to restart the stream. I'm just restarting the stream because of the network. Come on.
Central Arkansas,
There we are.
Scott County and western Arkansas.
There shouldn't be a...
Central Logan County and western Arkansas.
Here we go. I think this is a double header because 2 were just issued. I should already be at EAS 90 now. Oh, another... It's 80 miles an hour winds and tennis ball size hail.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Saline County and central
My
Arkansas,
prayers for those people who are being hit.
central Arkansas, eastern Hot Spring County and southwestern
Tornadoes are not
Arkansas
possible with the
until
current one.
5:30 p.m. At 4:40 p.m.
This one
A
is.
severe thunderstorm was located over Melbourne, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm.
VDS.
Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and tennis ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Benton, Bryant, Malvern, Haskell, Shannon Hills, Rockport, Traskwood, Hull, Poen,
Is Logan in here?
Salem and Saline County, Cane Creek, Bryan, East End, Alexander, Bauxite, Donaldson, Avila, Belfast, and Magnet Cove. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 87 and 125.
Is this a double header?
The National Weather
Nope.
Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm
That's not in the
warning
listening
for
area,
west
but...
central Yell County and central Arkansas,